Hi, today we're going to take down a box review of Hasbro's Transformers BOTBOTS Series 1. There's 24 to quit in Series 1, so Hasbro Transformers BOTBOTS Series 1, 24 to quit blind boxes. So yeah, you go to transformerbotbots.com, link down below in the description. As you can see, it's an actual Transformer thing. I wish that they would have them as an anime. Because we had, other animes. We had Mishima that went on YouTube with their series of Transformers, which now Hasbro's going to take over and stuff. And then, yeah, if they do this, they're going to be cutesy, kawaii kind of bots. Probably like this, I want to say somewhere around the size of a Minicon for like Transformers Armada. But probably a little bit different than that size. Because, they're going to range from like the size of a toy pair to the size of a pop can to the size of a shoe and stuff. So, size on the anime will vary. Yeah, they're going to go cutesy style. So, probably like Transformers Cyberverse, the one that came out before Cyberverse, was the B Team, with Strong Arm and Sideswipe and all those things. Maybe Transformers Rescue Bots Academy. Probably not Transformers the anime, because I don't think they'll go with that artwork style from that Transformers series. But yeah, hopefully if they do these, because these are kind of like minicons, hopefully they don't do the whole beats and bots and boops R2D2 type of thing. Hopefully they can actually speak actual English, where it's not like beep bop ooh ooh that we see in Transformers Armada, where it's like, what is it saying? I don't know, it's just beeping and bopping. Do you think the popcorn's done? I don't know, maybe it's got a paper jam. Isn't that a fast machine or a photocopier? Well, it's beeping like one. Yo, Pawn, what did it say? It said, shut your mouth and get back to the review. Now, but seriously, how they had to actually ask the actual Transformers, what did the minicon say? Because it's just making little beeps and bops and boops and noises. Hopefully they'll go with that type of thing. Hopefully, Hasbro Transformers BotBots.com comes up with a little mini-series, because there's only been like about 2 commercials. No mini-series, which mini-series there. Mini-series on YouTube would be awesome. Heck, Netflix! You're going to come out with where Mishima dropped the ball and continue on with, Transformers there. Hopefully, it'll be the Transformers War for Cybertron Siege. Hopefully that's what will be the new lineup of Transformers that Netflix is going to work on. Because, we had Transformers Combine Wars, which was pretty awesome from Mishima. Transformers Titan's Return from Mishima, which was pretty awesome. Transformers Power to Prime, the worst one in both the anime and actual official Transformer toys. The stretches were horrible. They didn't transform right. The anime shows would go like couple minutes for episode 1 would be like maybe 3 minutes. Episode 2 would be like 25 minutes. Episode 4 would be like 7 minutes. Wait, what happened to episode 3? I don't know, but then finally episode 3 come out, and that would be like maybe 7 minutes, 7.5 minutes long. It was completely F up. The toys did not match the anime, because the toys were not in the anime. Yet every single toy that did come out had the Prime Armor, which the anime never talked about the Prime Armor. Not only that, they kept talking about the Vacuum Blaster was this big giant cannon gun, which they never made a toy of the big giant Vacuum Blaster gun. But yet, that was all taught in Transformers Power to Prime, the anime. Not only that, but you think, maybe perhaps the big giant Vacuum Blaster that, Transformers Power to Prime's anime was all about, considering that they completely skip over the Prime Armor and the other Transformers in the toy line that came with the Prime Armor. You thought maybe, the big giant Vacuum Blaster would be like, a BotCon exclusive, which now they don't use BotCon anymore. Now it's been changed over to TFCon. Don't know why, but yeah. Nope, not even exclusive at BotCon now / rename TFCon. Nope. So yeah, what the F was the bit of Lectinium Blaster? Well, you might as well wait for like maybe the last 1 or 2 episodes of the series and be like, oh, big giant cannon. Okay. Toy never existed. Prime armor never existed in the anime. So it's like, what the F? The characters that the toy lineup never existed in the anime. The prime armor never existed in the anime. The big giant weapon blaster, which is what Power Parts is all about, never existed in the toy lineup. Yeah, what the F? So that's why Mishima went downhill. Hopefully, news that Netflix is going to pick up and take over. Hopefully, they pick up and take over like the first 2 series, which was awesome. Goodbye Wars and The Titans Return, awesome. Hopefully, in this new one, they're going with Transformers War for Cybertron Siege Slam. Because, you know, all the War for Cybertron Siege toys come out. Also, I wouldn't mind putting up Transformers War for Cybertron Siege, the video game. Hello, I know that perhaps maybe GameStop is going to come out with it. I don't know for sure if GameStop's going to come out with it. But if they do, you know, definitely I'm going to pre-order it. And if they do, hopefully release it with an actual Transformer toy. Don't know if they're going to release it with a leader class or a Voyager class. Probably more than likely it's either going to be a deluxe class, which would be awesome, but you know they're not going to do that. Or even like a Target Master or a Battleizer, which is kind of like the Target Master, or their Micro Masters, which form weapons. Either a Micro Master or a Battle Master, which would be pretty awesome. But of course, we all know that's not going to do it. But if they did, and if that was a pre-order at GameStop, you know definitely I'll go and pre-order at GameStop. Yeah. So anyway, how do you open this up out of the package? You know, just grab this, open it up. You don't have to, but I like to tear it right there. Turn it around and pop it open to see who we got. Ooh, we got a little cupcake. Cupcake! And now to get out its little instruction sheet. Which I wish that they made the bots tear open a little bit more, or it was a little more plastic, or easier to get the instruction sheet out, because, yeah, it's kind of hard. So let's open it up and see this. So here is, you know, the checklist. This one is from Lost Bots. So it's a Lost Bot. It's where this one comes from. And its name is Phosphooter. I can't pronounce its name because, you know, it's this weird, goofy name right there. So it's a level 3 blank stars, I'm going to call it. Whoa. Mystical Cupcake Vampire. Ooh. I think it's Phosphoratu. Figure out his name. Yes. Phosphoratu. Not Nosferatu, like the actual vampire, but Phosphoratu. Which is kind of hard to say. Phosphoratu. Because, you know, it's got all this frosting. So it's a frosted cupcake vampire. Which actually looks pretty cool. So how do we transform him? We're just saying something that I guess we take these, which would kind of be like his cape, and we kind of like open them up and then we slide them back slightly like this to kind of form a cape, and then we just move his little hands upwards like that, and then that's it. He is like the most simplest and easiest one to transform. He kind of has little vampire teeth, and his eyes are sort of like, if you look into them, you will be under his hypnotist control type of thing. But, yeah. Doesn't stand that much, because it's kind of a little shorty. But, I don't know, I think perhaps it actually looks a little better in cupcake form. Now these can move up to about there, and then down to there. You really can't move them back that much. They are on little ball joints, but yeah. But yeah, I'd say I'll just leave this one in little cupcake mode, because it looks better in Cupcake mode than actually in its little Frosted mode. Which, if you look at the little anime character here, that little Cupcake liner actually looks more like cape, and then when you actually have this, it looks like what? So Cupcake mode is the way to go with it. So yeah, that has been the unboxing review of Hasbro's Transformer BOTBOTS Series 1 Mystery Blind Bots 24 to quit. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, notification bell, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks. Bye.